partnership between the government and private enterprises has opened a new path that leads to prosperity and happiness. PPP, which stands for Public-Private Partnerships, allows you to experience the new world. PPP invests in your happiness. We all have a dream to study at a fine school, to lead a happy life, and to live in a clean environment. To make our dreams come true, every effort should come together to develop our economy, to improve social welfare system, and to provide environment-friendly policies. Establishing the necessary infrastructure is one of the most important aspects of these efforts. However, limited public budget is globally seen as the biggest barrier to development of economic and social infrastructure. Searching for an answer, PPP was developed to resolve insufficient budget constraints through private capital and to enhance the efficiency of the public service by utilizing creative planning and management skills of the private sector.
From a financier's point of view, public-private partnership projects are really the ideal way in which to exercise project delivery. They are a win-win project where the community benefits from improved service delivery coming from advanced private financing techniques.
PPP is the epitome of the cooperation between the public and private sectors for projects in construction and the management of economic and social infrastructure, which were traditionally carried out by the public. Since private companies are responsible for the design, build, finance, and operate of a project, more creative design methods and building techniques are implemented to meet the needs of the facility users. Additionally, the government can be more flexible in financial management and be more efficient by focusing on value for money. It contributes to the economy through job creation and economic revitalization, as PPP invites private capital to become more productive investment. Currently, there are about 80 countries in the world that have introduced PPP, and the size of PPP investment is steadily increasing worldwide. In the example of the United Kingdom of Great Britain, approximately 80 billion US dollars, 47.5 billion pounds, were invested under PFI model, which is a type of PPP. In Australia, Canada, Japan, and other countries, successful adoption of PFI model has contributed to improving the welfare system for the local communities. In 1994, Act on Private Participation in Infrastructure was established in Korea. And since then, road, ports, and railways have been successfully built under PPP system. Moreover, since 2005, with revision of the PPI Act, PPP has expanded its scope from economic to social infrastructure, such as educational, welfare, cultural, and social facilities. On the way from the Incheon International Airport to the city, you will pass the Incheon International Airport Expressway and the Incheon International Airport Railroad, which both were constructed under PPP scheme. Moreover, PPP has continuously contributed to build network of roads and railways that connect major cities. PPP focuses on developing the economy and ensuring clean environment. In order to achieve such goals, more trade ports, container harbors, and environment-friendly facilities are built. With the investment in the welfare system of the community and cultural facilities, we are creating better education environment for our children. This is how PPP invests in our future.
학생들이 쾌적한 환경에서 열심히 공부할 수 있고 미래를 위한 꿈을 펼칠 수가 있어서 좋습니다. 특히 민간업자의 서비스 부분에 대해서는 대단히 만족을 하고 있습니다.
Investing in PPP is one of the best ways to ensure happiness for our next generation. In order to be successful in implementing PPP projects, behavior beyond contract is critical, along with an institutional framework, clear output specification, and performance-oriented operation. There is rising worldwide interest in PPP these days. Each country is choosing to implement its own PPP program that reflects its institutional and economic conditions to secure suitable infrastructure and efficient budget management.
PPP 사업의 성공을 위해서는 두 가지 조건이 중요합니다. 우선 은행 부분과 함께 투자자가 자기 책임하에 장기 투자를 할 수 있도록 자본시장의 발전이 병행되어야 합니다. 또한 투명하고 합리적인 운영을 통해서 PPP 제도가 재정 건설성 제고에 기여할 수 있도록 노력해야 합니다.
Public-private partnership, PPP, is changing Korea, and the world is changing. With implementation of public-private partnership, the world will find a much brighter future. Cooperation and partnership between the public and the private will promise you a better and happier life.